Hey guys, my name is Rasheed Phillips and welcome to Smoke Sessions. Today I've partnered up with my amazing friends over at Kingsford, Masterbuilt and the Home Depot to bring you some new techniques to help you become a master of your flavor. Today we're going to go ahead and grill some pork loins and we're going to wrap them in bacon. Let's get started. Got our pork loin here. Give it a nice pork focused rub. You can use like a smoked paprika, you can use some chipotle, some garlic salts, whatever you come up with, you will want to be liberal with it. We're going to cut these in half and then start wrapping with bacon. If you have friends over or kids, this is a great part of the cook to get them involved. To secure our bacon, we're going to use some butcher's twine. There's no specific technique for tying up pork loin. This isn't a chicken, we're not trussing it. If you tie shoes, you tie the pork loin. All right, all done. Time to get these on the smoker. We've got it set at 450 degrees. Perfect grilling temperature. We've pulled our pork loin off of our smoker. While they rest, we're going to whip up a quick little dipping sauce. We've got some smoked butter, maple syrup, and a stock of your choosing. Time for my favorite part of the cook, the taste test. Smoky, salty, sweet. We can taste the spices from our rub. Bacon is just right. That pork tenderloin is cooked perfectly, loaded with flavor. All right guys, make sure to head over to your local Home Depot, stop by, grab yourself a bag of Kingsford charcoal and a Masterbuilt Gravity Series 1050. See you guys next week.